Hey fam, how are you doing? Welcome to yet another beautiful vlog. Okay, so today I'm home and I decided to make something very delicious for my family for lunch. Okay, so that when the children come back from school, they have something to eat. All right, so I'm making jollof rice and I am making 7 cups of rice, and I'm going to introduce you to my ingredients. Okay, so let's get started already. Less of the talk. Okay. So I want to introduce you to the ingredients that I'm using. This is my tomato, garlic, and ginger inside here. This is my onions, is already washed. And we have the 7 cups of rice that I'm using for this cooking. Okay. And this is the fish that we are using. This is Titus fish, smoked one already, very fresh. This is my crayfish. I don't cook jollof rice without adding crayfish unless I want to do the typical Nigerian party jollof. Okay, so here again, I have my party jollof. This is one of my best tomato to use, like tomato paste to use. Okay, but I don't have enough. It's just this one that I have. Okay, and I also have this one. This one, Gino also, pepper and onions. So yeah, I'm going to use this one and this one. Okay, so this right here is actually nutmeg. I'm not going to finish this. I'm just going to take a little out of it. And I have with me here my salt. This is salt. Yeah, and I also have my seasoning cube. So I'm going to start by blending this first and then attend into that fish and pick this crayfish and blend it. Blend this one also. All right, so yeah, that's all the ingredients now. Yeah.
wash this akiausa that I bought, and I bought this akiausa, 6 of them. I already ate one. 6 for 1,000 naira. Per one is 200 naira. So in your dao length, what do you call this? In my own dao length, we call it akiausa. This is tiger nut, the dried one. Okay, but let me hear you in the comment section what you call this in your local dao length. Okay, so I'm about to wash it. The one I ate before, I wasn't supposed to eat it, but I was very hungry. Like, longer, don't let me. What are you doing? So I'm going to put it in here so I can actually wash it before I eat it. Okay, so I used to like this snack a lot when I was younger. Okay, but back in the days I don't wash it. I just carry it, champ. And this thing they expose it though. Like they keep it in like under the sun to dry. I know now what is under the sun, dust, tinkle, all those things. So next time you buy it, try and wash it before you snack on it. Okay, if you don't want it to wet, you can actually let it dry out before you snack it. Like let it be on your seat before you now start snacking it. Longer. So this is how dried it is. Okay, and it's also very, very delicious. The one I ate earlier. So I'm also going to cut this watermelon now. I bought this watermelon now, and I'm going to cut it. Pick that one up and inside the bowl. If rat is disturbing you in your house, this rat poison is actually what you should use to eliminate rats in your house. The past few days, it be like saying me and rat they share house. It be like saying me and rat be roommates now. So I've decided to go south with them. I've decided to release some Ukraine bomb on them. Okay, so this one is for cockroach. I also realized I had some invasion from cockroach too, and I decided to buy this one too. So this is green leaf, the popular one. This thing kills cockroach like whatnot. Okay, the last time I had an invasion from cockroach, a friend of mine actually advised me to get this. I did, and it's the best decision I made ever. Okay.